hungry. So we laid out a nice, simple picnic lunch.
You know what he made?
There was
Pies.
nothing but pie. Well, this is my type of book. There was all 9 kinds of pie that Harold liked best. When Harold finished his picnic, there was quite a lot left. You know what you should do with that pie? Harold dropped Tristan. He hated to see so much delicious pie go to waste. So Harold left a very hungry Tristan and a deserving Hannah to finish it up. And off he went, looking for a hill to climb, to see where he was. Harold knew that the higher up he went, the farther he could see, so he decided to make the hill into a mountain. If he went high enough, he thought, he could see the window of his bedroom. He was tired and he felt he ought to be getting to bed. He hoped he could see his bedroom window from the top of the mountain. But as he looked down over the other side, he slipped, and there wasn't any other side of the mountain. He was falling in thin air. Just luckily, he kept his wits in his purple crayon. He made a balloon and he grabbed onto it. And he made a basket under the balloon big enough to stand in. He had a fine view from the balloon, but he couldn't see his window. He couldn't even see a house. So he made a house with windows. And he landed the balloon on the grass in the front yard. None of the windows was his window. He tried to think where his window ought to be. He made some more windows, yo. He made a big building full of windows. Then terrorists crashed into it. He made lots of buildings full of windows. He made a whole goddamn city full of windows. But none of the windows was his window. He couldn't think where it might be. He decided to ask a policeman. The policeman pointed the way Harold was going anyway, but Harold thanked him. And he walked along with the moon, wishing he was in his room and in bed. Then suddenly Harold remembered. He remembered where his bedroom window was when there was a moon. It was always right around the moon. And then Harold made his bed. He got in it and drew up the covers. The purple crayon dropped on the floor, and Harold dropped off to sleep. The end.